Hi there, this is Maddie with Laser Llama Boutique. I want to show you how I do my extended single crochet. So we're going to start like we would with a normal single crochet, 2 loops on the hook. We're going to pull through the first loop, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. So as you can see, this is a regular single crochet. That's the extended single crochet. It's quite a bit taller, and so that helps us keep kind of our same pattern going, but gives us a little more height without adding more rows. So you yarn over, pull through the first loop, pull through both loops. And again, yarn over, pull through the first loop, pull through both loops. So it's pretty simple. Hopefully that helps explain the part of the pattern with the extended single crochet. Let me know if you have any questions. Have fun making your dinos.